pangit ka, hindi ka successful, maghahanap ka rin ng iba. The bigger question here is, how disciplined are you to grow, develop, and nurture a money machine? Pakisabi, I am a money machine. Paano luluwa ng pera yan? Paano tumanggap ng pera yan? Puyat-puyat. Diba? Hindi wini-work out. Daming sama ng loob. Hindi nag-aaral. Again, I'm coming from a working class point of view, ha? Bakit ako nagkaroon ng maraming pera? Hindi dahil sa negosyo. In all of the business I mentioned to you, these are all partnership because I understand that when you give your best and you're growing every day, if you're working class number 1, pakisulat po, you will be promoted. Totoo? Oo. In-apply ko lahat. Pinakamagaling na janitor, na-promote? Oo. Pinakamagaling na promodizer, na-promote? Oo. Salesman, sales supervisor, assistant manager, regional sales manager, sales director, international key accounts officer, 5 countries. I was promoted. Now, pag hindi ako na-promote, okay lang, ask me why. Kaya ako i-pirate. Other people sees my value and people don't see your value, you'll be pirated. Kaya huwag ka magselos-selos sa asawa mo. Kung pangit ka, hindi ka successful, maghahanap talaga ng iba yan. That's life. Klaro ba? That's reality.